Hello everybody, this is Shootclusive doing a review on the KWA M16 battle rifle. Let's flip our cover here. And as you can see, here's the gun itself. Got our barrel cover there. I cut out this part so I could fit my NCR red dot sight, NC Star red dot sight there. And 2 high cap magazines came with it. Didn't come with a battery though, which really upset me a little because I had to get my own, but overall the battery that I have in it right now is pretty big that I got because the guy at the shop gave me a discount on it. I bought the gun for I think it was $390. This is a great gun. When you see the test fire, you'll see what I mean by it's a great gun. Well, it all depends on the battery. This gun comes LiPo ready for anything. You could I'll show you the slot there, but I'm gonna take the battery out here. As you can see, here's the battery. I'll take the battery out for you guys in a sec. As you can see, you know, as every M16 has, pull the charging handle, you release for the hop up there. As you can see, but yeah, I'll demonstrate. Okay, here's your clip release button right here. You have your fire selector switch. We got safety, semi, and full auto. Okay, here's this is my own add-on to my gun. This is the NC Star. I don't know if you can see that focusing a little bit. But it's the NC Star red dot green dot sight. It's got 3 brightnesses and it's got 4 different reticules on it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the battery for you guys right here. Just disconnect that. Here you go. It's a 4200 mAh battery, Intellect. It's a very big battery overall. It takes a while to charge, but it lasts very long, and when you hear the test fire, it gives the gun an amazing rate of fire. The gun, it also has good looks. It's got a chrome gas tube here. It makes it look realistic. The orange tip, as you can see. And you could obviously remove this, put a silencer on the gun, make it droop down 5 pounds, which I don't really like silencers, and that's the reason. It came with the warranty, like I told you guys, right? I didn't tell you guys, did I? Here's the warranty. No, this is not the warranty. Here's the LiPo sheet. Yeah, as you can see, it comes LiPo ready. Comes with a warranty, and that's just instruction manuals right there. And these are the 2 high cap magazines that I got with it. And yeah, KWA M16 battle rifle. Let's go on to the test fire.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinese
Okay, and this is the remnants of Bob from KWAS battle rifle. And let's see, it's an outstanding rifle. As you can see, as I was going full auto, I was spraying towards the chest area, and semi-automatic, I was trying to hit in the head area, as you can see. But full auto in the chest area, it seems to spray around a lot. And in the head area, with semi-automatic, it's a lot more accurate. I put a lot more rounds in with semi-automatic. And with the full auto, you can see bullets winding up all over the place. But it's still, like, if you compare this to an average human being, it's extremely small. Because, like, if you were looking at what I'm looking at, you might see it's a little bit bigger than it looks, but I'm looking at it pretty small. If you compare this to an average human being, it's a lot bigger than what do you think it is? But, other than that, KWAS is an excellent gun. I would totally advise you to get it. Shoot it around. Well, when I clonoed it at the shop I got it from, they clonoed it at, I think it was 410 FPS. Very powerful gun. Very powerful gun. And you heard the rate of fire when I was firing it. It's an outstanding gun. I'd advise anyone to get it. It's a great gun. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.